Hey there, and welcome back to Motor Minds, the place where we break down car care into simple, easy tips anyone can follow. Today, we are talking about something small, but super important: spark plugs. They might be tiny, but they play a huge role in how your engine runs. Your car could look perfect on the outside, but if your spark plugs are going bad, you are in for some real problems: poor mileage, engine trouble, and even breakdowns. In this video, we will walk you through the most common signs of bad spark plugs, what they mean, and how to fix them. Let's fire it up and jump right in. What do spark plugs do? Alright, before we jump into the warning signs, let's take a moment to understand what spark plugs actually do. Your car's engine runs on tiny, controlled explosions. These explosions happen when fuel mixes with air, and then, boom, a spark lights it up. That spark? It comes from the spark plug. Each cylinder in your engine needs its own spark plug to create that spark and keep things running smoothly. If even one spark plug isn't working right, your engine starts to struggle. You'll feel it. Bad spark plugs mean weak power, poor fuel mileage, and even engine damage. So, now that you know how important they are, let's take a closer look at the warning signs of bad spark plugs. Sign number 1. Hard starts. Let's kick things off with one of the most common and most annoying signs of bad spark plugs: hard starts. You get in your car, turn the key, or push the button, and nothing happens right away. The engine cranks and cranks, maybe even stutters, but it takes forever to start. That's not normal, and it usually means your spark plugs are struggling. Spark plugs need to fire up strong and fast to get your engine going. But when they're worn out, dirty, or damaged, that spark becomes weak or inconsistent. And without that spark, your engine has a hard time waking up. This issue often shows up in the morning, especially when it's cold outside. The engine needs more help to start in lower temperatures, and bad spark plugs just can't deliver. So if your car gives you trouble starting, especially on cold mornings, it's a good idea to check those spark plugs first. Sign number 2. Rough idling. The next sign is rough idling, when your car is stopped at a traffic light or in the driveway. Listen closely. Is the engine shaking more than usual? Does it feel bumpy, or do you hear popping sounds? That's rough idling. Bad spark plugs cause uneven firing, which leads to these strange vibrations. Your car isn't supposed to sound like a tractor. If it does, don't ignore it. Sign number 3. Engine misfires. Next up, engine misfires. This one is a serious sign that something is not right. You might feel your car hesitate, jerk, or even backfire while you're driving. Sometimes it feels like the engine just lost power for a second, and that's exactly what's happening. When one or more spark plugs fail to fire correctly, the fuel in that cylinder doesn't ignite. That cylinder basically sits out, and your engine runs unevenly. It's like trying to run with one leg not moving. Everything feels off. Misfires don't just mess with your ride. They also burn more fuel and can seriously damage your catalytic converter, which is an expensive fix. So if your car suddenly jerks or feels rough on the road, don't wait. Get those spark plugs checked out as soon as you can. Sign number 4. Poor acceleration. Let's talk about something every driver notices: acceleration. When you press the gas pedal, your car should respond right away. It should pick up speed smoothly and quickly. But if your car feels lazy, weak, or just doesn't want to move like it used to, there's a good chance your spark plugs are the problem. Worn-out spark plugs don't ignite the fuel mixture properly. That causes a delay in the combustion process, and your engine takes longer to build power. The result? Sluggish acceleration and a car that feels slow, even when you're pressing the pedal hard. If your car struggles to speed up, especially during overtakes or uphill driving, it might be time to check and replace your spark plugs. Sign number 5. Increased fuel consumption. Have you noticed you're filling up the tank more often, even though you're driving the same routes and doing the same distances? That could be a big clue that your spark plugs are going bad. When spark plugs get old or dirty, they don't ignite the fuel-air mixture as efficiently. Some of that fuel goes unburned. And when your engine doesn't get a strong spark, it tries to make up for it by using more fuel to get the same power. So even though nothing else has changed, your mileage starts to drop. You end up spending more money at the pump. And who wants that? This problem creeps up slowly, so it's easy to miss. But if your car's fuel economy has taken a hit lately, spark plugs are definitely worth checking. Replacing them can help your car run smoother and save you money over time. Sign number 6. Check engine light. One of the easiest signs to spot is right there on your dashboard, the check engine light. When this light comes on, your car is trying to tell you something is wrong. Modern vehicles have sensors that constantly monitor how your engine runs. If a spark plug misfires or fails to ignite properly, the system detects it, and that warning light turns on. To find out what's going on, you can use a simple tool called an OBD2 scanner. Plug it into your car, and it'll give you a code. If the code points to a misfire, it often means a bad spark plug is the cause. Now, don't make the mistake of ignoring this light. Even if your car still runs, a misfiring spark plug reduces engine performance, hurts fuel efficiency, and can even damage other parts over time. Get it checked early and save yourself from bigger problems later. Sign number 7. Strong smell of gasoline. Ever walk past your car and catch a strong whiff of gasoline? That's not something you should ignore. It's a sign something's wrong, and it could be your spark plugs. When a spark plug doesn't fire correctly, the fuel in that cylinder doesn't burn the way it should. Instead, that unburned fuel can leak into the exhaust system, and you'll smell it, especially near the tailpipe. This isn't just wasteful, it can be dangerous, too. Extra fuel in the exhaust can overheat components and even become a fire risk. So if your car smells like raw gas, don't wait. Turn off the engine, pop the hood, and get those spark plugs checked right away. Sign number 8. Engine surging or hesitation. Does your engine sometimes surge or hesitate while you're driving? Like it suddenly speeds up or slows down without touching the pedal? This usually means the fuel-air mixture isn't burning evenly. Bad spark plugs are often the reason. One moment your engine gets power, the next moment it doesn't. It makes driving feel unpredictable and unsafe. Sign number 9. Poor emissions test results. Did your car recently fail its emissions test? Before you panic or start replacing expensive parts, check the spark plugs. They might be the real culprit. Old or worn-out spark plugs don't burn the fuel-air mixture properly. That leads to incomplete combustion, which creates more harmful emissions, especially carbon monoxide and unburned hydrocarbons. These dirty gases are exactly what the emissions test is designed to detect. So even if everything else in your engine looks fine, bad spark plugs can cause you to fail the test. Before you start spending big money on sensors or exhaust repairs, try replacing your spark plugs first. It's a simple fix that could help your car pass with flying colors. When to replace spark plugs. So, how often should you replace your spark plugs? Well, it depends on the type you are using. Copper spark plugs usually last around 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers. They are affordable but wear out faster. Platinum and iridium spark plugs, on the other hand, can last up to 100,000 kilometers or more. They cost a bit more, but they're built to last longer. The best thing to do? Check your owner's manual for the recommended interval. It's usually listed clearly. And here's a solid tip. Always replace all the spark plugs at once. Don't just change one. Mixing old and new plugs can lead to rough engine performance and uneven firing. How to check spark plugs yourself. Thinking about checking your spark plugs yourself? Good news, it's easier than you might think, and you don't need fancy tools to get started. Here's how to do it. First, make sure the engine is completely cool. Working on a hot engine is dangerous. Next, remove the spark plug wire or ignition coil, depending on your car. Then, use a spark plug socket and ratchet to carefully unscrew and remove the spark plug. Now, take a close look at the tip. A healthy plug should look light brown or gray. If it's black, oily, cracked, or burned, it's time to replace it. Also, check the spark plug gap with a feeler gauge. The right gap ensures a strong spark. Too wide or too narrow, that can mess up your engine's performance. And remember, if you're not sure, there's no harm in asking a trusted mechanic for help. And there you have it, the top signs of bad spark plugs. If you have noticed any of these signs in your own car, don't wait. Replacing spark plugs is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to improve performance, boost fuel economy, and keep your engine running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in to today's video right here on Motor Minds. If you found this helpful, go ahead and smash that like button, drop a comment if you have ever had spark plug issues, and subscribe for more honest, practical car tips. Want to keep learning? Check out our other videos on engine health, saving fuel, and easy DIY maintenance. You will find tons of useful info. Until next time, drive safe, stay sharp, and keep your motor happy with Motor Minds.